Hello everyone, welcome back to Placement Buddies. Let me welcome you all to another off-campus job notification and आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे Elite NTH for the batch of 2022 which is given by Wipro. So Elite NTH एक नेशनल टैलेंट हंट प्रोग्राम है जिससे विप्रो 2022 बैच के स्टूडेंट्स को हायर करने वाला है. ओके, इट्स अ फ्रेशर हायरिंग इनिशिएटिव टू अट्रैक्ट द बेस्ट ऑफ 2022 इंजीनियरिंग टैलेंट अक्रॉस द कंट्री. ओके, इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ दिस इनिशिएटिव is to enable an equal opportunity of employment to the most deserving engineering talent in India. So जो registration है इस प्रोग्राम के लिए it will open from 23rd of August 2021 and the online assessment will tentatively held between 20th September to 25th September. ठीक है, so अभी बहुत टाइम है online assessment को. You can prepare your level best, right? So let us go through the eligibility criteria. In 10th and 12th standard you need to have 60% or above. In graduation you need to have 65% और CGPA equivalent to 65% और above. ठीक है, जैसा आपका यूनिवर्सिटी गाइडलाइंस है. कभी कभी बहुत सारे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में 65% इक्वल्स टू 6.5 CGPA होता है. कभी कभी बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में 65% इज इक्वल्स टू 7 CGPA होता है. सो गो थ्रू योर यूनिवर्सिटी गाइडलाइंस. अगर आपका यूनिवर्सिटी गाइडलाइंस ये बोलता है कि आपका जो CGPA है वो 65% से ऊपर है या 65% के बराबर है, then you are eligible for this drive. Okay, and only full-time courses are allowed. No part-time or correspondences or distance learning education is allowed in either 10th or 12th. As I already said, this opportunity is for the 2022 batch. So year of passing should be 2022. Qualification should be BE, BTech, ME, MTech or 5-year integrated courses. All branches of engineering are allowed except for fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology. Okay. जो डेजिग्नेशन है इस ड्राइव का, जिस पोजीशन के लिए विप्रो हायर करना चाहती है, द डेजिग्नेशन इज प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर. सो वंस यू गेट सिलेक्टेड यू विल बी अ प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर. CTC is 3.5 LPA. There is a bond of 12 months, that is 1 year bond. Let us go through the other criteria. One backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stage. जब आप रजिस्टर कर रहे होंगे then only one backlog is allowed. The offer will be subjected to all backlogs being clear. मतलब अभी आपके पास एक backlog है तभी चलेगा. If you have no backlogs then it's very good, right? But if you have more than one backlog अभी then you are not eligible. But at the time of like offer generation, जब आपका joining का time होगा then you should not have any backlog. Keep this thing in mind. Maximum 3 years of gap in education is allowed. 10 से लेके graduation तक. You should be from a full-time degree course. All arrears and backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection process, as I already told. And the candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 6 months are not eligible. Okay? पिछले 6 महीने में अगर आपने Wipro का किसी भी selection process में part लिया होगा, then you are not eligible for this. You should be an Indian citizen or you should hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding a passport of any other country. If you are from Bhutan or Nepal, you need to submit your citizenship certificate. Okay. Now let us go through the selection process. Every eligible candidate must go through the online assessment. Online assessment के बारे में discuss करेंगे अभी. The online assessment will be of 128 minutes and it will have 3 sections: aptitude test, written communication test and online programming test. Aptitude test का duration होगा 48 minutes. इसमें आप लॉजिकल एबिलिटी, क्वांटिटेटिव एबिलिटी और वर्बल एबिलिटी से क्वेश्चन एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. रिटन कम्युनिकेशन का ड्यूरेशन होगा 20 मिनट्स वेर यू नीड टू राइट एन एसे. एंड प्रोग्रामिंग टेस्ट के लिए यू नीड टू सॉल्व 2 कोडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स एंड द ड्यूरेशन विल बी 1 hour. ओके, यू कैन चूज एनी ऑफ द प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस फॉर कोडिंग टेस्ट. इट कैन बी जावा, C++ और पाइथन, एनीथिंग. ओके, नॉर्मली जो ऑनलाइन टेस्ट होता है विप्रो का वो MCAT का प्लेटफॉर्म में होता है. If you remember, if you guys have seen the video which was published by Placement Buddies few days back regarding the Wipro's interview experience by one of our batchmates Shubhashish, so you can go through the video and you can make yourself know about all the selection process and everything of Wipro. Okay, so as we are done with the online test details, let us see. The last date to apply is 15th of September 2021. The online assessment will be tentatively held between 20th September to 27th. And I recommend you to go through this instructions before applying. ये सारा जो information है ये careers.wipro.com/elite में अवेलेबल है. मैं ये लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. यू कैन गो थ्रू दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड you know जब डेट आएगा you can apply for this opportunity by clicking apply now. If you have any problem you can write to the Wipro team at manager.campus@wipro.com. Okay, and the same will be responded within 3 working days. So guys, that's it for today. The link will be given in the description and I hope maximum of you will participate in this drive. Wish you all the best. मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो पे. Bye.